how to make money on Upwork as a book cover designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button to create our account, and here make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and then continue with email to enter my password. And after entering the password, click on login. And then you will proceed to creating your profile. So here, this is where we create our profile. And this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back to start from the first steps. So here, make sure to go back to start from the beginning. So let's go back, and this is the first step. So here, let's get started. Then we proceed to answering some questions, 3 questions, and this is the first one. Have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits your situation. You have 3. Choose the one that fits your situation, then click on next. Then you did the same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? You choose the one that fits you, then click on next. And for the last question, how would you like to work? Make sure to choose all of these answers, then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from. You can either import your information from your LinkedIn profile, or you can upload your resume, or you can fill it out manually. It will not take 15 minutes. It will take less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to go with the third option. Click on start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, which is book cover designer. Then click on next to add your experience or your previous work experience. So here you can add your work experience, and after that you do the same with your education as well. You can enter your education history in here. After that you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write in. So as you can see, language English is a must in this platform. You cannot work in here without English. All profiles include this. And here you choose your level in the language. So my level in English is conversational. And here you choose or you add the other languages that you can speak. So for me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is Arabic, which is my native language. And the third one is French, and it's the language I've studied in school. So here I'm going to choose my level, native and basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for us, like book cover or book, and the maximum is 15 skills. So I'm going to look, let's enter first the book cover, then I'm going to look for designer. Let's go for designer. Cover. So we have nothing about cover designer. Let's go with cover to see what we can find. Cover art designer, book cover design, that's the one I was looking for. And then click on next to write an overview. So here you can enter, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. I'm a developer experienced in building, etc. A small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, you will just need to go to ChatGPT and enter I'm a book cover designer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to copy that bio and paste it in here, then add some personal information to it, and then you're good to go. And for me, I'm going to take Marty's bio because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long. So then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service in here, or you can just choose the suggested one, which is graphic, editorial, and presentation design. But that's not our niche or our category. So here let's go with, we have product design, graphic, let's go with art and illustration, and graphic as well, and product design as well. Then click on next to set your rate. So I'm going to go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. And if you remember, this is the step that we saw before, and this is the last step, so make sure to fill all of these information. And for your profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with your profile, this is the strategy that I follow, or that the strategy that I implement in order to improve my profile, to attract the more clients, or the as many clients as possible. So the strategy is entering my skill in the search box and basically searching for my competitors and finding the highest earner amongst them, and then copying what he's doing in his profile, spying on him, see what is working for him, what is he doing differently than me, and try to implement that to your profile. So here I'm going to find the highest earner in here. You have more than 10 grand, more than 200 grand, more than 100 grand, more than 100. I think the one with more than 200 grand is the highest earner in here. Let's just check the second page to see if you can find someone who earned more. So I think that's the highest earner. So basically we're going to see what is he doing differently in his profile and try to implement that to our profile. And this is the one. And guys, in order to find more work in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and you will see, by entering your skill in here, you will see all of the available jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.